Refrigeration is essential on ships, especially for preserving perishable cargo and provisions. In this video, we'll break down how a reefer plant or marine refrigeration system works using simple animation. A typical reefer plant consists of four main components: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. The cycle begins at the compressor, which draws in low-pressure refrigerant gas from the evaporator and compresses it into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. This hot gas flows into the condenser, where it releases heat to seawater or air, and condenses into a high-pressure liquid. Next, the liquid passes through the expansion valve, which reduces its pressure and temperature, turning it into a cold, low-pressure mixture of liquid and vapor. This cold refrigerant enters the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the cargo space or provision room, effectively cooling it down. The refrigerant evaporates back into a gas and returns to the compressor, repeating the cycle. This continuous cycle keeps refrigerated spaces at controlled temperatures, vital for transporting food, medicines, and other perishables at sea. Reefer plants also include safety devices, pressure gauges, thermostats, and alarms to ensure proper and safe operation. From engine room to cargo hold, the reefer plant plays a crucial role in ship operations. Understanding its components and working cycle is essential for every marine engineer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more marine engineering animations.